If there's one thing that is common amongst every individual on this planet, is the urge and the flaming to be happy, to be self-sufficient and to just be satisfied. Whether it's a crying baby, a teenage boy or a girl, an adult or an oldie, everybody wishes to feel that comfort within us. But the question is, are we looking for happiness in the right place? Trinley Rinpoche, an accomplished meditator and scholar, said that the real source of happiness lies in the clarity of thoughts. External factors can only be pleasurable as long as we are happy from the inside. According to Buddha, meditation trains the mind to not dwell in the past or contemplate about the future. It lets the mind settle in the now and allows us to see the beauty of the present. So basically, today we'll be talking about the benefits of meditation. When we talk about, that what is meditation? So meditation basically establishes a secure connection between our internal and our external worlds. It awakens the body and benefits all aspects of the conscious and subconscious layers of the mind. Out of the numerous perks that meditation gives, a few we're going to be talking about in this video. First is meditation enhances empathy. Loving, kindness and compassion, meditation fires neutral connections to brain sites that regulate positive emotions like empathy and kindness. The deep state of flow that meditation induces building social connections and make us more affectionate and amicable to a person. So, benefits of meditation, the second one is that it lowers the high blood pressure. It also lowers the level of blood lactate, reducing anxiety attacks. It also decreases any tension-related pain, such as tension headaches, ulcers, insomnia, muscle and joint problems. Meditation increases serotonin production and improves mood and behavior. It improves the immune system and it also increases the energy level as you gain an inner source of energy. Meditation also has some mental benefits. Those are anxiety decreases, the emotional stability improves and increases. The person sees a creativity enhancement. There is and happiness increases. There's intuition and the sense of clarity and peace of mind develops. Meditation is basically a source to all the solutions to problems. Meditation sharpens the mind by gaining focus and expands through relaxation. A sharp mind without expansion causes tension, anger, and frustration. When we talk about the spiritual benefits of meditation, it is that the effortless transition from being something to merging with the infinite and recognizing yourself as an inseparable part of the whole cosmos. In a meditative state, you are in a space of vastness, calmness, and joy, and this is what you emit into the environment, bringing harmony to the creation planet. How to get meditation benefits? To experience the benefits of meditation, regular practice is necessary. It takes only a few minutes every day. Once imbibed into the daily routine, meditation becomes the best part of your day. Meditation is like a seed. When you cultivate a seed with love, the more it blossoms. Busy people from all backgrounds are grateful to pause and enjoy a refreshing few minutes of meditation each day. Dive deep into your life and embrace the glorious mess that you are. Meditation has a lot of benefits for the students as well. It gives them greater confidence, makes them more focused and gives them more clarity. Meditation is the key to a better health. It gives more mental strength and energy and greater dynamism. These were all the benefits of meditation.